Hello, I'll show you how to sign up and get verified on Bybit step by step. I recommend you signing up via mobile phone as you will need to take a selfie with the camera during the verification process. You need to download Bybit app from Google Play. After download, then open the app. Click here, then sign up. You can sign up with your email, phone number, or Google account. Before signing up, write down referral code 49947. You can save 20% fee discount for 90 days and claim your reward. I will sign up with email. Write down your email. The referral code 49947, then click sign up. Then solve the CAPTCHA. Then open your email and activate it. Create your password. Now your account successfully registered. To use Bybit, you need to verify your identity. Click Verify Now. Then click Verify. You can choose your country or region here. Then choose document type. I'll go with driver's license. Then click Confirm. Allow Bybit to use camera. These are document requirements. Then click Continue. Make a picture of front of your ID card. Make sure it's readable, if not you can retake photo. Then click Document is readable. Take a picture of selfie. Position your face to fit the frame. It will take a picture automatically. Okay, it's done. Process will be completed in 24 hours. After verified, it will be changed to verified. Okay, that's how you sign up and get verified on Bybit. Thank you for watching.